Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a fresh trade-in. It's a 2015 Bennington 2575 RCW. So it's got the two rear-facing recliners in the back. It does have the sport arch on it, double bimini. It is an ESP package. This particular model is the IO series. So you've got an inboard, outboard. It's got a Volvo 320 horsepower V8 in it. Counter rotating props in the back. Absolute phenomenal boat, very clean. Right at 500 hours on it. Blackout package, ocean blue in color. Trailer is included with this trade. Show you the outside a little bit here. Garage kept when not on a lift at the lake. Go around, you got the nice fiberglass swim platform. There's your Volvo X drive, counter rotating props. You've got underwater lighting. The stereo system in this one's been upgraded to the wet sound. So you got, I think there's 8 wet sound, 6.5 inch speakers. Your rear facing loungers there. We'll climb aboard here in a second and take a look. So we'll show you the exterior of the boat. Beautiful boat. It's got the shadow graphics on it as well. Climb aboard, take a look. There's no rips, no tears, anything. Interior looks flawless in this boat. In-floor storage, seagrass flooring. This is the pillow top diamond stitched upholstery. As you can see, very clean, no fades, no mildew, nothing. Fold down armrest here, both sides. Again, you've got in-floor storage. This one also has the extra wide recliners, so you've got tons of room, sitting very comfortable. You've got the interior LED lighting, underwater lighting. It's got it all. Comes with a Humminbird Helix 7 on there. So you've got navigation. And what's really nice about the inboard outboard is you got a little step up here to your rear facing lounges on both sides, wet sound speakers on both sides. Absolute beautiful boat. Just took it in on trade here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.